संस्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः. प्रिय स्वामी गिरीशानंदजी महाराज, प्रिय Honorable Chief Minister of ASSAM, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, Dr. Satyaranjan Bhattacharya, अन्य साधुगण सब भाईदेर आज के एक बड़ो सुंदर अनुष्ठान हमारा मिलित हुए ये अनुष्ठाने যেমন এত পর্যন্ত সুন্দর ভাষণ শুনলেন চিফ মিনিস্টার দ্বারা, রিয়েলি ইন্সপায়ারিং স্পিচ এটা ভগবান শ্রী রামকৃষ্ণ এবং স্বামী বিবেকানন্দের সম্বন্ধে এত গভীর অধ্যয়ন করেছেন আর এমন সুন্দর ব্যক্ত করেছেন. ইট ইজ আই এম রিয়েলি very happy that a young person like him has imbibed the ideas of Swamiji. So much so good for our country. And already it is time now, as you are all aware. I don't want to take long time. I am reminded of a particular incident. Like audience like you were there, the speaker, before he started a speech, he said, already they have heard so many speeches, how long shall I speak? He asked the audience, how long shall I speak? Audience in one voice, they said, you can speak as long as you want. We are going to get away after 15 minutes. Afterwards you go out. So I will not do that. I will try to limit myself to few minutes. You see, this temple of Sri Ramakrishna is something unique. So we should remember what is this uniqueness. I always tell, there is something unique for which, everywhere people want Ramakrishna Mission Temple, not only in India, outside India also. So in the foreign countries, we have got our centers, more than 75 centers we have. Everywhere there is the temple of Sri Ramakrishna. People love to come there. So when you think about it, several uniqueness comes to your mind. One is Sri Ramakrishna temples. Sri Ramakrishna's temples give us a sense of spiritual awakening. The essence of Sri Ramakrishna's teaching was, of course, he spoke about prayer, meditation, visions of gods and goddesses, but main principle was be awakened. For every person, his message was, be awakened spiritually. You are awakened secularly. We are progressing in a secular life, but spiritually, very few are awakened. Sri Ramakrishna's message was, as you all know, on the Kalpataru day he said, Ami ki bolbo, Shobhai der Chaitanya ho. Be a level of you, awakened spiritually. What is this awakening which Ramakrishna Mission Temples gives? Here, we make people feel that your worship in the temple does not end there inside the temple. It has to come out into the living people. Because every living being, most, of course, the best of them is man. Man is the best animal, they say. So man is the, Swamiji used to say, he is the magnificent creature in the creation. So if we cannot see God outside and serving Him in every way, so our puja inside the temple is not complete. This is what Ramakrishna Mission teaches us. When we come to any temple of Sri Ramakrishna, you see Sri Ramakrishna's statue. As soon as you see Holy Mother Sharda Devi there. As soon as you see Holy Mother Sharda Devi, you compare these two. What did these two people have for everybody to give their respect to them, follow them, and try to understand them? They didn't have education. They didn't have any university education. They were not rich. They were not good looking. Nothing of that usual attraction. The attraction was their spiritual power. So the Mahabharata speaks of 3 types of power in man. All of us have it. One is the Bahubala, the strength of weapons, strength of Sena, strength of army, strength of money. All these things is Bahubala. We have got enough. In our world, plenty of army is there, plenty of weapons are there, other things are there. The second one is Buddhibala, intelligence. That also we have got enough. India, very, very intelligent people, equal to any intelligent people anywhere. We have one. The third one is, the highest one is Atmabala. First one is Bahubala. Second is the Buddhibala. Third one is Atmabala. Atmabala is the power that comes to you after realizing God. Realizing God inside yourself, realizing God outside. I've come to know through coming to Sri Ramakrishna and Holy Mother and attending the temple, reading their speeches and following the hundreds and thousands of both householders and sannyasis who are following the path of Sri Ramakrishna, we get inspired. If you are a householder, you come and see the householders that come to us regularly. How much of sacrifice. They go to the office and come. Immediately they are in the ashrama to give service to the ashrama. When they retire, their whole life they gave to us. So this idea of service to man is worship of God. This idea you get implanted into you if you come to Sri Ramakrishna temple. Number 3, it says, when you serve, don't serve with the egoistic idea, I am the person who is donating or I am helping people. Not that. You always think that it is an opportunity given to you to serve Narayana in so many people who are in need. So to serve man is a privilege given to us. We should be humble. Swami Vivekananda demonstrated this one. You see, he wanted to feed the coolies that are serving in building up the first our ashrama in Belur. The coolies were working very hard. He used to go and ask them, how are you? They would tell their tale of poverty. Swamiji would weep along with them. And one day he told the Santal laborers, I want to feed you well. One day I want to give you a feast. What do you want to do? Whatever things you want to tell, I will prepare that and feed you all. They said, no sir, we cannot eat from your hand. We have got our jati. Our jati will go. We cannot eat from your hand. Swamiji said, in what way can I serve you? I want to certainly give you a feast. You put any condition you want. I will accept it, but I want to feed you. You tell me. Then the Santal leader tells them, you do one thing. You prepare everything. Don't put any salt into it. Without salt to serve, we can take. Swamiji followed and served them. And when you were eating, Swamiji was shedding tears. He said, I am feeding the Narayanas directly today. And he told the brahmacharis, throw away all your scriptures, all your studies for the next janma. In this janma, serve these poor people. This is enough. How poor they are, but how simple, how grand is their faith. So this is the spirit of service. Swamiji taught us. It is with that spirit. When we serve, we never feel we are helping. God has given this privilege of helping the poor people. God has come to us in that form. And I am lucky, I am fortunate. So this is how we think. That is why our work of the relief operations and so many welfare activities, we never get tired. Because if we feel that ego is, that I have done this one, you expect something from people. When people do not respond to it properly, you get disgusted. You leave it off. Whereas we have nothing to get disgusted. We never expect anything from the people. We go to serve, we serve them, feel blessed that we got the opportunity. So since last 125 years, we are doing so many big relief works. Never need we feel that we are the doers. We have done great thing. See, that is an opportunity given. We are ready for more work. So work becomes a great enjoyment. So this is what the Ramakrishna temple teaches us. I only close with a small historical incident in this connection. In South, in Tamil Nadu, there have been great kings in the Chola dynasty. Chola dynasty, one great king was there, Rajaraja Chola. This Rajaraja Chola's time, he built a big temple, Brihadishwara temple. Today also, in India's biggest temple is that Brihadishwara temple. On the top of it, there is a big stone, a round stone, on which some of the sculptural things are there, what you call the Amlaki and all that. So this Raja built a big temple and became very egoistic. This big temple nobody has constructed. I have constructed this one. So Shiva appeared to him in his dream and told him, you see, I am very happy under the canopy of that old lady who is near in your kingdom. She is called Adagi. Adagi means a beautiful old lady. So Adagi party, the beautiful granny. So there is a beautiful granny. I am very happy under her roof. Then the Rajaraja Chola said, but I have built the temple. You say you are under Adagi's shelter, you are happy. You go and see that Adagi, ask her why I am telling this. He goes to that old lady and asks her, I have built the temple, but then Shiva says that he is happy under your shelter. What did you do for this temple? She said, two things I did. One, when the laborers were laboring hard, they were all very thirsty. I served them with buttermilk every day until the temple was closed. They finished. I fed the old people, the coolies, with the buttermilk. Second, when the topmost stone was being searched, big round stone, your Shilpi was not getting it. I gave him that big one. It was in my hut. I told you to see if this is all right, you can take it. So this big stone I give, that is at the top of the temple. So that is why Shiva says, I am very happy under the shelter of that old granny. Then Shiva realized it is not in mere buildings, it is not in mere physical achievement that we have. We live through helping others, through serving others. So this old lady had done it. She has served the poor people and she has donated what little had, that stone she donated. So these are all physical examples. Even today, we have got that old granny well is there in Tanjavur. You can see it. These are all historical events. Our social people, common people have followed this idea of serving man as God. So today, on this sacred day, I pray to Sri Ramakrishna, Holy Mother, Swamiji, to bless us all with the spirit of serving God, both inside the temple and outside the temple also. May we serve our people as Narayanas. May Sri Ramakrishna bless us all with this spirit of service, spirit of sacrifice, spirit of renunciation, spirit of devotion, and may we progress all around. Thank you very much. Jai Ramakrishna.